Hello traders, this is Rich Derrick from tradesight. Just want to take a moment here and do the afternoon preview of the scans and see what they might have in store for us on for for Wednesday, January 23rd. Right now, looking at the Nasdaq market leaders, we definitely have a bias to the sell side here with the signals. We've got a couple of camouflage buy signals, as well as continuation pressure signals, CPS signals, and there's one buy signal here popping up that's a differential kind. So a variety of signals, and we're kind of light on the sell side here for the Nasdaq leaders. So for tomorrow, I'd expect that the bias is going to be positive for Nasdaq, at least for the opening. Moving on to the financial sector, this is a little bit more mixed. We're actually a little bit to the sell side, but it's paired off enough here that I would say that there's no real bias for tomorrow in the financial sector. The energies, again, the same thing, about paired off here. Not really seeing anything leaning either way too aggressively. The generals are definitely a little bit more to the sell side here. There's a number of differential sell signals. That means that we're just a little bit too far off of the highs, at least right now. We've got a little bit more trading before the actual close. So if they can walk these things back up towards the highs, that'll mitigate these differential sells. But we'll have to take a look at that again tomorrow. As far as the housing, the transport's really not seeing anything there, and nothing really too notable as far as VWAP deviations or open and close deviations. And on to the commodities. The commodities are a little bit mixed here today. Definitely seeing some buying interest in some of the gold names. That's kind of across the board. The XAU right now, which is the gold index, is really the best performer on the day. It's up about 1.75%. Definitely want to watch that tomorrow to see if that follows through to the upside. We definitely have some reversal-like activity happening in the dollar with the dollar yen pair. So if that follows through and continues in strength of the dollar, in strength of the yen, then we can see a little bit more of a scramble into gold. Anyway, until tomorrow, again, this is Rich Derrick from tradesight. We'll see you again soon.